Hi there, friends. Are you ready to start learning Spanish, but in a way that actually sticks? Whether you're learning for travel, for fun, or just to keep your brain sharp, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to build a strong foundation, starting with the Spanish alphabet and vowel sounds. I promise to keep things simple, slow, and clear so you can follow along easily. So grab a notepad if you like, get comfortable, and let's dive in together. All right, let's start with the basics. Vowels. Now, in Spanish, knowing your vowel sounds is 90% of speaking and reading correctly. The good news? Spanish vowels are super simple. Each one only makes one sound. Unlike English, where letters like A can sound like I, or even in Spanish, each vowel sticks to one sound, and that's it. Let's go through them one by one. Letter A, it always sounds like as in father. You'll never hear it sound any other way. Letter E, this one sounds like A, kind of like the E in pet. Letter I, now here's where it can be a little tricky. In Spanish, the letter I sounds like E, just like in the English word see. Also, keep in mind, in Spanish, when you see the letter Y on its own, it usually also sounds like E, and it often means and. We'll come back to that. Letter O, this one's important. In English, we round our lips to say O, but in Spanish, don't round your lips. Just say a straight O, keep your mouth still. Letter U, again, don't round those lips like in English. Just say oo, like in pool, but with a straight mouth. Let's do a quick review. I'll say the letter and you say the sound out loud with me. A, E, A, I, E, O, U, oo. Perfect. Now that you've got the vowels, we're ready to go through the full Spanish alphabet. Now, what I'm about to tell you are the names of the letters, not how they sound in words, but how you'd say them if you were spelling something out. Just like in English, if I spell baby, I'd say B-A-B-Y, right? But when I read it out loud, I don't say B-A-B-Y, I just say baby. Same thing in Spanish. These are the letter names, not the word sounds. Got it? Let's go. A is B is BH, C is say, D is day. Push your tongue a little forward when you say this. Not back like in English. E is A, we already covered that. And F is fifth E, G is he. Remember, in some words it'll sound like our H. H is ache, but here's the trick. It's completely silent in words. I is E, J is hota. It sounds like the English H when used in words. K is ka, L is le, N is nen, with the little squiggle on top, is enye. It sounds like the nyai in canyon. O is op is pe. Here's a tip. In English, we puff air with our P's. In Spanish, try to leave that puff out. Say it gently, without the breath. Q is ko, R is a ray. This is called a flap, not a full English R sound. Your tongue taps lightly behind your teeth. S is SAT is tef. U is U. V can be either ve or uve. W is either double ve or double u. Again, depends on the region. X is akis Y is igriega. Z is seta. Here's my advice. Say the alphabet out loud when you're doing chores, driving, or relaxing. The more you repeat it, the more natural it will feel. When you're watching Spanish TV shows or listening to music, try to catch those vowel sounds and letter pronunciations. You'll start to hear them everywhere. All right, you did it. That's the full Spanish alphabet and all the vowel sounds. Nicely done. If you found this helpful, we'd love for you to subscribe to LingoElevate, hit the bell so you don't miss new videos, and leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts. You're off to a great start. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep elevating your language skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.